A blessed morning, Grateful Gap. Always, again, spectacular opportunity and moments to be alive, to just really, indulge in a thought of life and, think about goals and have dreams and vision. All these type of things are important in your life, man. And like, ultimately those can lead you to, success in your life. Very important for those things to be able to, achieve success. You got to have those criteria in your repertoire and things like that. Special shout out to the Warriors and Steph Curry and the whole team, Klay Thompson, Draymond Green, all those boys, man, on a well-deserved championship run. Very excited to see them continue to grow in the future and ultimately see, where they, ultimately end up and things like that. As well as Jaylen Brown need to come to the Hawks. Come on, play for the hometown team, bro. I won't Tatum. I want Jaylen Brown and Trae Young together. We're going to go to the championship. But, yeah, man, like I said, just a blessing, to be here. It's going to be a short video today. About to get up and get on my bike ride this morning. The daily verse derives from the book of Galatians, chapter 5, verse 16. Excuse me, y'all. This I say then, walk in the Spirit, and ye shall not fulfill the lust of the flesh. And again, that's from the book of Galatians, chapter 5, verse 16. And yeah, man, so just to make some new music drops today. Got some projects out by Drake, Kevin Gates, and Big Guwap. I'm gonna be listening to them on my bike ride this morning. Definitely, that's one thing I am grateful for in my life as well. Just to have, again, my hearing, obviously, but, just the development of music and, sound and just how it came across, over the years. And I just love it again. So, yeah, man, Father Day is coming up this weekend. So happy early Father Day to all the fathers. Of course, I will be here on Saturday and Sunday with some episodes coming back. So just small announcements again. I announced this earlier this week for the information about the Father Day special. It's going to be held on June 20th at 5 p.m. on Zoom with the Family Parent Group out of Atlanta, Disabled in Action Incorporated. Again, join us on June 20th at 5 p.m. The Zoom meeting ID is 691-386-9707. And the Zoom passcode is 269376. And I will post this on my social media platform and let y'all know, give you just more information and things like that on how y'all can, join and reach up and then get a little bit more information about the event and stuff like that. Just again, it's gonna be appreciation to our fathers and just fatherhood and things like that, and those in our own rights and stuff like that. But basketball season is officially over. Ready for training camp for the Birds, man. We're gonna dominate this season. We're gonna dominate this season and many seasons ahead. So, yeah, man, just let's dominate every day, in our own lives, and whatever it is, let's just dominate and be the best we can be. So, until next time, y'all, really, of course, it's always appreciated, man, to just continue to see the growth and the passion and just everything, just the support from my listeners, my family, my friends, everybody. So, really appreciate y'all, man. Looking forward, continue to grow and we just all come together, man, for a bigger and better purpose for the world and for ourselves. So, love y'all. Thank y'all again for everything. Follow me on Twitter, Grateful_Gap. Follow me on Instagram at Grateful Gap Podcast, and follow me on Facebook at Grateful Gap. Until next time, y'all. Peace.